Question number 1. What is the capital of Australia? The correct answer is option D, Canberra. Question. What is the capital of Brazil? The correct answer is option C, Brasilia. Question number 4. What is the capital of Japan? The correct answer is option D, Tokyo. Question. What is the capital of Russia? The correct answer is option B, Moscow. Question. What is the capital of South Korea? The correct answer is option D, Seoul. Question. What is the capital of Germany? The correct answer is option D, Berlin. What is the capital of Egypt? The correct answer is option D, Cairo. Question. What is the capital of France? The correct answer is option C, Paris. Question. What is the capital of China? The correct answer is option D, Beijing. Question. What is the capital city of Italy? The correct answer is option C, Rome.